Hello everyone. It's been about 2 weeks since the last time I got out to fly. I think that last time was a really windy day where I was flying with Paul and he wanted to fly the Mini Goblin, but it was too windy to fly and crashed a few times. So got everything looking good, should be ready to go. So I'm gonna head out to this school, place I haven't flown in, I don't know, boy, since last summer. The weather's much nicer today, a little bit cold, but sunny, not too windy. So we'll see how it goes.
Surprise to me, I am my own worst enemy. 'Cause every now and then I kick the living shit out of me. The smoke alarm is going off and there's a cigarette still burning. Please tell me why. My car is in the front yard and I'm sleeping with the clothes on.
Well, the curse of the last battery strikes again. 4 out of 5 went great, and then on the 5th battery, something happened and it just dropped out of the sky. Luckily, it landed just in a grassy field. Everything was fine, easy to find. I don't know what happened, but I'll take a closer look and try to figure it out.